Yeah, so you had to lift it over this. Maybe if you might take the world record today.
Probably, totally.
Yeah.
I can lift 286 kilos. I'm 70 kilos.
That's cute, isn't it?
We're just checking out their public gym, but we're gonna go to their warehouse where
The magic happens. The big boys come out and play.
Holy shit. This is something out of Rocky.
Yeah, it's pretty rough and ready. We share the warehouse with guys that are building a bolt engine or something.
You work out here?
Yeah.
That's the manliest thing I've ever seen in my life. You just work out where they build boats.
We'll probably do some throwing first. As we are doing something called the weight for heights, we have to throw a sandbag over a 6-meter bar. Yes, we're going to let these Yes 3 guys have a shot at it. Before a big lift, we normally take called smelling salts. So basically what they do is give you a boost, just gives you a woof.
And big whip. Wait for it.
Alright, I'm ready!
Did he go over?